Hi, Bill Huffman here for Skywalker. Today I'd like to talk to you about connecting the Saga 0208 home theater amplifier into the EQ box and from the EQ box into the Saga 0207 in-wall subwoofer. Okay, first you want to take a cable from the audio video receiver subwoofer output and go into the input on the EQ box. From the EQ box's output, we want to plug a cable in to the amplifier's input. From the amplifier speaker out, we want to run a cable from there, a speaker wire from there, into the subwoofer. Very simple to use the spring terminals on the 0207. As you can see, it's an easy hookup, doesn't take much time at all, and you're completed. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more from Skywalker.